In this video, you will learn how to get a promo code for Pocket FM. First, visit the official Pocket FM website or app. Pocket FM occasionally share promo codes directly on their homepage or in-app banners. Check regularly for any active promotions. Subscribe to the newsletter. Signing up for the Pocket FM newsletter can keep you informed about all the new features, offers and exclusive promo codes. Follow the social media. Stay connected with Pocket FM on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube. They often post discount codes or coupon codes during special events, campaigns or giveaways. Participate in referral programs. If you invite your friends to join Pocket FM using your referral link, both you and your friend can receive rewards, including discount codes and subscription benefits. Check third-party deal websites. Visit popular coupon websites that list promo codes for apps and services. These sites often share up-to-date Pocket FM discount codes. Look out for festive options. Pocket FM frequently offers special discounts during the festive seasons, such as the holidays, Christmas, New Year and more. These may include promo codes for discounted subscriptions or bonus features. Now you know how to get discount or promo codes on Pocket FM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.